How to create a Google account step-by-step guide. Welcome to our YouTube channel dedicated to guiding you through the process of creating a Google account step by step. A Google account is an essential tool that provides access to a wide range of Google services such as Gmail, YouTube, Google Drive, and more. Understanding Google. We will explain that a Google account is and why it's valuable. A Google account acts as a single sign-on key that unlock access to various Google services from personalized searches to cloud storage and email. Having a smart account streamlines your online experience. Navigating to the Google account creation page is getting to the Google account creation page. We will guide to you through the process of accessing the sign up page, whether you are on a desktop computer, tablets, or smartphone. Filling out the necessary information. Once you are on the account creation page, you will need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, password, and phone number. We will go over of creating a secure password and other essential tips to save your account. Verifying your phone number and email address. Google takes secure seriously, so verifying your phone number and email address is carefully. We will walk you through the verification process to ensure your account is protected from unauthorized access. Setting up account recovery option. To further enhance your account security, will guide you through setting up account recovery option. This includes editing our recovery email address and setting security question which can prove invaluable if you are ever need to regain access to your account. Customizing your Google account. Now that you have your Google account set up, it's time to customize it to suit your preference. You will show you how to personalize your profile picture, theme, and other setting to make your account uniquely yours. Paragraph 7. Understanding Google's privacy settings. Privacy is a vital in the digital age, and Google offers a range of privacy settings to protect your data. We will explain each option in detail, allowing you to make informed decision about what information you share and with whom. Paragraph 8. Enabling two-factor. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your Google account. We will demonstrate how to enable this feature, ensuring that even if someone knows your password, they won't be able to access your account without the second factor, usually your smartphone. Paragraph 9. Troubleshooting common issue. Will cover common issues that user may encounter during the account creation process, from resolving verification problem to recovering forgotten password. We will provide troubleshooting tips to help you overcome any hurdles. Creating a Google account is a fundamental step toward unlocking the full potential of Google services. Our step-by-step guide covers all the details, ensuring you can confidently create and customize your account while keeping your information secure. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorial and tech related content. Thanks for watching.